Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Quick little video here from my hammock. Just wanted to thank y'all, whoever was watching the live stream with me this morning, and anybody who watches it after the replay. And I had a day of projects today. Just putting in a few things that'll make it a little easier for my wife for when she comes home from the hospital. And so I built a ramp in our mud room, and then I built a ramp going up the deck. That one was pretty easy. The one in the mud room was a little bit more work, but got it done. Nothing fancy, but it'll work, and it's solid. And then a little one on the deck. And then I built a custom seat for our bathtub, and turned out pretty nice actually. And we could have bought one, and you could buy custom made ones, and I just made it out of 2x4s and put Danish oil on it and polyurethane, and it actually turned out really nice. And it's custom fit for our tub, so that'll be nice. My wife can sit on that and use a handheld shower. And actually I'm going to put a mount on the wall to actually put the little shower head, and so she could maybe, if she's washing her hair or whatever, and so it'll be easier for her in the tub as she's healing from her injuries. She hurt her back and her knee and her ankle, and she fell down some stairs a week ago, but she's healing. And so got that built, and that's drying. And I'm gonna and then I burned garbage today. I did laundry, and took a break and hung out with my son and the grandkids, and we had lunch and a couple of hammock breaks here and there, and and some other projects. And almost done for the day. It's after 5, and I have some grab bars and some things to install, and a new shower head in the bathroom, and you get that done, and then I'm done for the day. But it's like 52 or so, and the wind died down, so it was windier earlier today, but now it's really nice, and the sun's starting to set. And so I take a quick hammock break before I finish projects inside. This feels so good. I could actually take a nap. It feels so good. It feels like it's been months since I've laid in my hammock, whether on the road or at home, I always like to be home, and but gotta work. But anyway, just quick little video from the hammock here, just to kind of let you know what my day was, just doing projects and drawers and things. And it was a fun live stream this morning. Hope you all enjoyed it. It's me rambling, a little coffee and woodworking chat. Anyway, just gonna lay here for a few minutes and enjoy the peace, laying in a hammock in March, early spring. Anyway, so I'd share a few minutes from my hammock. There's some farm tractor or something over there across the lake. I suppose they're getting fields ready to plant maybe already. Yeah. Oh, it feels so good laying in the hammock. I could lay here for hours. I could take a nap, but I got a few more chores, projects to do. I'll get some hammock time tomorrow. This week I'll probably be home most of the week. Probably go out Thursday or Friday again. So anyway, thanks for joining me, y'all.